Okay, in this video today we're going to talk about the multiplication of property of equalities, of equality. And what that says is that we can multiply or divide both sides of an equation by the same number without changing the solution to the equation. So for instance, here we have 2 times a equals 8. Now a lot of times when people first start seeing this, they just want to go, well, 2 times 4 equals 8. That's not acceptable. You do need to know how to solve for the variable. And how we do that is we read it first, and it says 2 times a. So to get this a by itself, remember that's what we're wanting to do, is that we're going to divide this side by 2. That would make that go away. But to make sure we use the multiplication property of equality, we're going to divide both sides by 2. So this would be a on this side, and this side would be 4. And we can always go back and check it by plugging this in or evaluating it with this. So 2 times 4 is 8. 8 equals 8. So we got that equation correctly. So on this side, we want a by itself. So we have to divide, since this is -4 times a, we're going to divide both sides by what's in front of the a. So this would be divide by -4. Sometimes y'all look at this and you think because this has a negative sign in front that means that you need to add the opposite side, but you need to read the relationship between the numeric or the coefficient and the variable. So the relationship between this coefficient and this variable is multiplication, -4 times a, so that tells you you're going to divide by the -4. This goes away because we want a positive a, and this would be -3. Okay, so moving down here, we have a fraction, and this is telling us that we have 7 equals 1/5 a. Well, what's the reciprocal of 1/5? Would be 5. So we could multiply both sides of this by 5, and then this 5 makes this one go away because it's really 5 over 5. And we have 5 times 7, which is 35, equals a. Okay? So the next video, we're going to put them together, the multiplication property and the addition property, and show you how to work some of those.